Hello student, myself Dr. Sanjay Kumar Srivastav, Associate Professor Dev Allied Health Institute Sehipur. Previously I had discussed about microscope, spectrophotometer, colorimeter, centrifuge, ESR methods. Now I am going to teach you what is the hemoglobin methods and what methods are used for the estimation of hemoglobin. Basically, in pathological labs, the two methods are used, that is Sahalys method. Nowadays it is outdated, and the second one is Drapkins or San-Methmoglobin methods. So, what is Sahalys method? That is acid hematine method. It's also called acid hematine method. A crude obsolete method for semi-quantifying hemoglobin concentration in blood, in which dilute HCl induces a brown color change that is compared to tinted glass standard. So, bloods are mixed with N by 10 HCl in the Sahalys tube and produce a brown colored compound that is known as acid hematine compound. And after that we have to dilute by the distilled water and match the color from the standard chart mentioned on the tube. So, hemoglobinometer is an instrument that is used to determine the quantity of hemoglobin in the blood. In practice, the hemoglobinometer proposed in 1902 by the Swiss scientist H. Sahaly, it is based on comparison of the color of the tested blood, which is treated with hydrochloric acid with the color of standard. Which hemoglobin is detected by the Sahalys method? Sahalys hemoglobinometer is a manual device that contains a hemoglobin tube, pipette and stirrer, as well as a comparator. Hydrochloric acid converts hemoglobin to acid hematine, which is then diluted until the color of the solution matched that of the comparator block. What is the principle of hemoglobin estimation? We have used Sahalys method to estimate blood hemoglobin level, that is normal HB level, hemoglobin count in blood, also called HB count or hemoglobin test. Principle of hemoglobin test procedure: the blood is mixed with N by 10 HCl, resulting in the conversion of hemoglobin to acid hematine, which is brown in color. So, why only N by 10 HCl is used in Sahalys method? The principle of Sahalys method or acid hematine method is quite easy, that when the blood is added to N by 10 hydrochloric acid, the hemoglobin present in RBC is converted to acid hematine, which is a dark brown colored compound. How can I check my hemoglobin level at? Or you can say, what are the three types of hemoglobin? Some normal hemoglobin types are hemoglobin A, that is HbA, which is 95 to 98% of hemoglobin found in adults. Hemoglobin A2, that is HbA2, which is 2 to 3% of hemoglobin found in adults, and hemoglobin F, that is HbF, which is found in adults up to 2.5% and is the primary hemoglobin that is produced by the fetus during pregnancy. So, here three types of hemoglobin. Most of these three hemoglobin, that is HbA, is 98% found in adults. Why do we use n by 10 HCl in Hb estimation? Blood is mixed with n by 10 HCl, resulting the conversion of Hb to acid hematine, which is brown in color. The solution is diluted till its color match with the brown colored glass of the comparator box. The concentration of Hb is ready or read directly. Means you have to take n by 10 HCl in hemoglobin tube and mix 20 microliter of blood in it and stir it by glass rod and wait for 5 minutes. After that, you should put drop by drop distilled water in it, and when the color of hemoglobin is matched with the Sahalese standard color chart, that is the final value of the hemoglobin in percent, gram percent. What is the normal hemoglobin level? The normal range of hemoglobin is for men is 13.5 to 17.5 grams per deciliter, for women 12 to 15.5 grams per deciliter. What is acid hematine? Black to brown amorphous to microcrystalline granules are encountered in histologic solutions prepared from tissue fixed in formalin having a low pH. This pigment is produced by acid acting upon hemoglobin and is known as formalin pigment or acid hematine. Why is hemoglobin estimation by Sahalese method? Because it carried out by two different groups of workers in sample of blood collected by vein puncture showed statistically significant difference p less than 0.001. This could be due to the inbuilt error of Sahalese method, including a subjective bias due to visual comparison, because the visual sight is differ from person to person, so that's why this variation is occur. How accurate hemoglobin test? With the accuracy of plus minus 2 gram per deciliter 95% of the time, and with the threshold for treatment for anemia at 9.5 to 11 gram per deciliter, and SpHb could be used to safety screen between 73 and 95% of the population to rule out anemia. SpHb value of not less than 11 point or not greater than 11.5 to 13 gram per deciliter, and an additional 0.5% of the population enroll in anemia, that is SpHb values of 7.5. So, what instrument is used to measure hemoglobin? A hemoglobinometer is a medical measuring device of hemoglobin blood concentration. It can operate by spectrophotometric measurement of hemoglobin concentration. Portable hemoglobinometer provide easy and convenient measurement of hematological variable, especially in area where no clinic laboratory are available. So, in the rural population, this method is very easy to detect the hemoglobin of the patient, which is color of acid hematine. Thoroughly mix blood and acid using a fine glass rod. HCl will react with the hemoglobin and convert into acid hematine, which has a brown color. Wait for 3 minutes after adding the blood to allow the color to develop sufficiently to achieve an accurate comparison. Sahli's method is graduated. Measuring tube is filled up to the bottom graduation line with hydrochloric acid. A quantity of 20 microliter of blood is browned into the tube and water is added until the color of the solution matches the color of the test rod. What happens if hemoglobin level is high? It could be indicate of the rare blood disease, that is polycythemia. It causes the body to make too many red blood cells, causing the blood to be thicker than usual. This can lead to clots, heart attack and strokes. It is serious lifelong condition that can be fatal if it is not treated. Significance of HB estimation. Every clinician and surgeon recognizes the importance of hemoglobin estimation in affording valuable additional data in the diagnosis of certain diseases and conditions. By means of such blood examinations, the progress of the patient condition can be watched from time to time during the treatment of the disease. What level of anemia is severe? Grade 1 considered mild anemia is HB from 10 gram per deciliter to the lower limit of normal. Grade 2 anemia or moderate anemia is HB from 8 to less than 10 gram per deciliter. Grade 3 or severe anemia is below 8 gram per deciliter. Grade 4 is life threatening anemia. Grade 5 is death. How is hematine formed? Hematine, also known as hematine, ferriheme, hematocin hydro, oxyhemine, oxyheme, phenolidine or oxyhemochromosane, is a dark bluish or brownish pigment containing iron in the ferric state obtained by the oxidation of heme. How do the second method, that is cyan-methemoglobin method or Drapkin's method, to prepare the Drapkin solution reconstitute 1 vial of the Drapkin reagent with 1000 ml of water, then add 0.5 ml of the 30% bridge 35 solution, product code B4184 to the 1000 ml of reconstituted Drapkin's reagent. Mix well and filter if insoluble particles remain. So, this is the method to make the Drapkin solution in your laboratory. It is also known as cyan-methemoglobin method. So, the method of choice of hemoglobin, determination of the cyan-methemoglobin method. This is a type of colorimetric method. The principle of this method is that when blood is mixed with a solution containing potassium ferricyanide and potassium cyanide, the potassium ferricyanide oxidizes iron to form methemoglobin. Direct cyan-methemoglobin method has been the gold standard for hemoglobin estimation, but other methods like hemoglobin color scale, Sahli's technique, Loewy-Bond-Drapkin technique, talc-based technique, copper sulfate methods, HemoQ and automated hematology analyzer are also available to the estimation of hemoglobin. What is Drapkin's solution? Drapkin's reagent is used to measuring hemoglobin from blood sample. It comprises potassium ferricyanide, potassium cyanide and potassium dihydrogen phosphate as components. Potassium ferricyanide oxidizes hemoglobin to methemoglobin and then to cyan methemoglobin. The cyan methemoglobin level is estimated at 530 nanometer in the colorimeter. How do you calculate hemoglobin concentration? Calculated hemoglobin, the Advia-Beck calculates as hemoglobin from the CHCM. Calculated hemoglobin is equal to concentration of cyan methemoglobin into MCV into RBC count divided by 1000 is the accurate result of the hemoglobin in percentage. CHCM is the concentrated hemoglobin in cyan methemoglobin or calculated hemoglobin of cyan methemoglobin. So, these are the two methods for the estimation of hemoglobin in pathological laboratories, and the most accurate value are found by the cyan methemoglobin hemoglobin methods, but most of the laboratory and most of the college labs are used the Sahlys method to detection of the hemoglobin in the pathology lab. So, students, these two methods of hemoglobin I taught you, and if you have any queries, please ask me on my YouTube channel. Thank you.